Jamusha Travels is back, and today we'll share to you our Gibraltar experience, our last port aboard Star Princess Cruise. Okay, so for breakfast, we are choosing healthier options. Yan, yung favorite combo ni Jamie. Oops, at tag-alarm na. 7:30 na. Yan.
Guys, have fun.
Ganda. Wait na mo, tagtag.
I have to pay this when I get.
So for Gibraltar, may upper bus. Tapos for cable car, punta tayo doon. 7 stop, yung malapit sa cruise terminal. 5 bus, 5 or 10. Tapos $6 yung adult upper. So pwede kang mag-buy online. May convenience fee lang na $1.
Sa online is anong site yan?
Sa visitgibraltar.gi.
So pwedeng doon na lang bumili Sa Visit Gibraltar. Bus is at £6 pounds
6 pound
per
or 10.
person, and the cable car is at
19 pound.
19. So 19 plus 6 plus 1 kasi online. So, tapos maglalakad papunta na 5 minutes. So, compute nyo na lang, no? Kung sulit nga ba papunta naka-DIY. Ayun yung cable car.
We're going to the cable car.
We're here at the cable car early. I believe it starts at 9:30. We need to rush before the crowd gets in. Okay. 19 yung kinuha natin, parang back and forth lang. Di na tayo mag-nature reserve.
Ayan, punta tayo sa mga tunnels.
Okay, sa mga kasama lang. Okay.
Marami na. Tsaka,
Tapos doon, if you have more time, you can cross that.
ayan,
Yeah,
pagbaba.
and pagbaba, pwede na tayo. Only got the cable car, no reserve. And there's Wiwi. Okay, there's restroom.
Kaya ang bilis.
I made you a jigsaw.
Yes, I did. I should went earlier, but well, they
Air
should.
conditioning works good. May sakyan pa rin. Inaanda rin sa akin.
I think they must have other stuff.
Ganda ng
on
mga
it.
ano nila.
Anybody that's it's a drawing, but it's in. It's yeah, screener.
You scary, baby.
Glad there's only one ship here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Bring it down. Bring it down.
Don't do it. I said, okay,
No, she was saying that, oh, this makes sense, these buses, the
Pero,
people that
yeah,
came
sa
up on buses, they would see their
I think sa taas pa yata eh.
the buses, oh, you know.
Sabi ko na kami rito sa loob ng car. Mga chichimichi and that's it. Wow, bumibilis kasi ng taas. Wow, hindi yung dating talaga. Kasi sinarang. Mga bunker. Ginagawa talaga.
Okay, start. So we're on top of the rock. Yay! Yeah, without the crowd. So this is the view on top of the rock. That's the ship. And I think those are nearby places that I don't know. Anyway, so these are the first groups who went here. Sit hard. Come on. Okay. Ayun nga, no, maraming tae.
But we're probably gonna see anything different.
Ala! Ayun na maganda. Yung rock. Ala, baby, oh! Oh, ang ganda! Oh my goodness!
Guys, anong umakit na kami dun sa pinaka.
Wow.
Ay, dalo naman. Papakuha naman sila.
So, yan na yung cable car.
Pagbaba na.
Excited ka na sa cable car? Kamusta naman ang experience mo sa cable car?
Okay naman.
Pwede na.
Yung one on your own.
So, it depends on your time. So, bahala na kayo. Kung gusto nyo magstay dito matagal, yung may nature reserve. No?
Yung grupo nila.
Guys, pababa na tayo.
Mama.
Natin kung makakababa tayo sa
Reaction
second
video.
level.
Mama. Mama, likit ka sa akin.
Yan.
Ayoko na.
Ayan na. Ating kamatayan.
Tago na. Haba pa nga pala. Ako nga pala.
Ayan, sa gitna tayo.
Yan.
Pero pwede din hindi. Pwede din
Hindi
hindi.
tayo. Yan yung may mga free.
Okay.
Sa mid-level. Yung mga tour dito sa
Ayun na. Yan.
So,
Basta maaga dumating dito sa cable car, sulit naman. Hindi naman siya mahirap. Unlike dun sa mga sinasabi sa online. So, yun. Yun lang. So, ngayon, Downstairs, ando naman yung botanical garden, which you can try as well for the next stop. So, yun yung cable car. Ito naman yung botanical garden.
Okay lang po kayo.
Okay lang.
Trap zero.
Oo,
Yan, ganun.
Kasi tayo sa botanical gardening.
Maganda dito. May mga libre.
Tapos may mga ano sila, no, cactus.
Special place.
Meron pa pala dito sa taas.
May pa, may bougainvillea nga. Oh.
Jack Lanzada. Pang ano siya, wedding na dito.
Saan naman tayo?
Punta tayo sa bus stop.
Okay, bus stop na tayo. Okay. Right, so we're back at the bus stop, waiting for 5 and 10. Let's see where it would lead us. So, wala na kaming destination. Sumakay lang kami ng bus. Bahala na. So, let's see where this will lead us. Alright, so dito na tayo sa city center. Marami na daw pwede puntahan dito. Mukhang marami ring mga turistang dumadaan eh, no? Or mga taga dito yan. But anyway, let's do this. Okay, sige. Mag-fish and chips kami. Wow! Ang ganda! Ang ganda, ha?
Ilang marriage contract.
Hello.
Dito sila nagpakasal.
So, puro fish and chips yung mga nakikita namin kanina dyan. Sa time check, it's almost 12. So, kung ang goal mo lang is pupunta sa cable car at saka sa botanical and mag-ikot-ikot, agahan lang ang alis and matatapos kayo agad. So, more time for relaxing stroll. Ayan, this is the nearest to the the phone booth. The cleaner version of the phone booth is here. And a lot of people on that area. Anyway, let's try this one.
Maganda nga.
Sige, bili.
Kulay red.
Okay,
Hi.
so kakain tayo dito sa The Royal Calpe. And we ordered yung fish and chips, tsaka cauliflower soup. Para na-try natin yung
Special for the day.
UK. UK food.
Oh, pero parang ano siya eh.
Parang
Irish pub, no? Anyway. So, yun lang. Dito kami sa labas. Sana wag ulanin. Bye-bye. So, dumating na yung ating
Drinks. May
condensada daw Irish
Kape
coffee.
con leche.
Kamusta?
Hindi siya masyadong matamis.
Eh, paano ito? Anong lasa nito?
Ito.
Ang ganda ng itsura.
Ito may alcohol yata doon.
Kaya Irish coffee. Sausawan nila na to, kadalasan malt vinegar yung nilalagay nila. Minsan itong brown sauce. Pero kung gusto nyo is ito or ito, pwede din naman. So, bahala kayo maglagay kung anong sauce yung gusto nyo ni Mama dyan. Tapos, sweetheart, ikaw naman ito. Nung sa...
Lagyan muna natin, ha?
Nung kami ni Jumbert ay nasa UK, malt vinegar yung ginamit namin. Yan. So, tingnan natin kung gusto ni Jamie din ito. Tapos, i-compare natin siya ulit sa Australia, no? Kasi iba yung klase yung kanila. Ito naman ay cauliflower soup. Kasi yan yung special daw nila for today.
Tapos,
Yan si Mama. Excited na kaming picturean.
Buntot eh.
Alright. So, whole fish yung niluto nila dito, kaya mahal, no? So, kamusta yung lasa ng isda nila, Bibi? Kumpara mo sa Oxford at saka sa Australia.
Maraming camera mo.
Ano? Sarap? Ikaw ba pa? Sarapan?
Sarap yung...
Lasang isda,
Sarap talaga.
hindi chicken.
Tsaka crunchy siya.
Ayan. Alright. So,
maganda yung bread.
worth it. So, we are at the square. Nandun yung information. And public toilet is here. So, we're just waiting for Jumbert.
Ando na sa labas.
Nandun na si Jammer. Alright, sige, tara. Sundan na natin si Jamie. Okay, so from this area, may bus stop na daw papunta doon sa gusto ni Jamie, yung lighthouse. And it's a bus number 2. Europa. Dito na tayo sa
Europa Point.
Europa Point. So this is the point of Europe. Yan na yung mosque.
Ganda ng mga.
And that is the lighthouse. So a must visit whenever you're here at Gibraltar. So basta yan, may sasakyan niya. To Europa. I love you. Yan yung lighthouse.
Set up ng tripod.
Ito yung ano.
Para mag-picture tayong tatlo.
Ayun na yung
Diyan muna
bus.
sa side.
So, dito tayo sa War Memorial. And dito yung hindi against the light. Right. Okay, so ba na tayo dito sa may Morrisons across ay parang simbahan. And then ito ay papuntang grocery store. So let's do this.
Ay, ang saya.
Right.
Tapos,
Punta kasi kami sa grocery store. Yun yung cruise ship lang, ah. Anyway. Oh. Yay. Wow. So we're currently here at Morrison. Huwag yung basket niyo. Alright, so maraming pwedeng bilhin. Wala lang kaming pangbili. Okay, so ikot tayo. 6 pounds. Kami ni Jamie pang baby yung mga ina. Yun, dun kami sa clearance sale. Baka may mura. We are not marked safe sa Morris, pero maganda dito. Okay. Sa courier pasalubong needs, go to Morris. Alright, so alis na kami ni na baby. Balik na kami sa ship. Time check, it's 2:56. Hanap na kami. Hello, baby doggy! Ayan, alis na kami. Punta na kami sa ship at baka marami pa kami pabili. So we're walking back to the ship. Ayan na. Anting minuto na lang and we're there. Ayan, thank you for visiting, Bibi.
Thank you.
Bye.
See you again.
Bye.
Bye.
Kuya Edwin, no? Hello po.
Ayo! Anyway, babalik na kami. Ahip. Okay. Reef shark or ano? Mga cleaning shark?
Alam ko, parang reef shark.
Oh. Basta fish, no? They're fishes. Anyway. Start. Sir, how are you? Ouchie. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. Tired, but not so tired.
And ang ganda na. So ito yung Gibraltar. Ay, pagod na kami ni Baby Jamie. Yan, ice cream muna. Dessert. Dessert. Hi. Hi.
Hi, we're going to
Dundun. Alright. Parang mamaya dyan din tayo mamaya, no? May special, ano daw kami, invitation. Pero, lamig na. Now, ano gagawin ng baby ngayon sa Dududum?
swing.
Yan, ito lang yung indoor pool nila dito. Anyway, ako, dito lang. So, may invite daw kami, may toast. So, puntahan muna namin bago kami mag-dinner. So, baby, what are we having today? Where are we?
Captain's toast.
So, may pa-toast daw si Captain's. May small nibbles din sa baba. Pero, yeah.
As everybody else refers to Ralph's left foot. I come from a very tiny little dot on the map called Macedonia, and if you manage to find them on the map, I like to have it. Okay. We've got somebody from deck 14.
It's voice operated nga! Happy birthday! So we are now at Gibraltar. Delay tayo ng flight. Yabang ng departure. And ito yung itsura sa labas. Oh. And we are back here at Makoto for dinner. So nakita nyo na yan ng dating post, no? Yun lang din ulit yun. So, yun lang. Happy eating!
Feeling yung ano, yung
Check, mag-8 o'clock. Ngayon palang dumidilim.
madalas. Yummy.
And finale.
Mochi dessert with coco pandan.
Bye-bye.
Awal ng reservation.
Shall we sit? Where we wanna sit? Hi! And so that's the end of our Gibraltar adventure and our last port aboard Star Princess Cruises before we dock back again at Barcelona. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.